Good morning. Today we are going to be working on our Chapter 1 review. So I need you to pull out page 23 out of your black math folder, and let's begin. You're going to need a pencil to do today's work. First of all, take your pencil and set it on top of the red star. We're going to go through this page, and in each box, we're going to follow the instructions. We're going to identify which item we're going to circle by the descriptive word or the position word that they give us. So, by the red star, they want us to circle the item that is on top. So, I know the red is on the bottom, the brown and the orange are in the middle, and the blue is on the top. So I need to take my pencil and I need to circle the blue book. It is on the top. If I take my pencil and place it on the green star, this time they want me to circle the things that are inside the box. So I have some walnuts that are outside the box, and I have some fruits and veggies and some nuts inside. I'm circling the things that are inside. Taking your pencil down to the blue star, they want me to look at these two items and decide which item is on the right. Well, if we remember, my name is always on the left side of the paper. So the item on the right is going to be the shovel. I need to circle the shovel. Taking my pencil to the yellow star, I need to circle the fish that are alike. Well, I have 3 fish inside this bowl. I have a purple one and 2 orange. So I'm going to circle the 2 orange fish. They are alike. All right, let's flip our page over and do the back side. So this time I'm going to be drawing some items, and they're going to give me the clues, okay? So for the first thing, I need to draw items to match the squares. Well, they've given me 2 green squares, so I need to draw 2 green squares. And you guys can fill yours in if you like. All right, they just wanted me to match the squares, not the circles. Okay, so here the keyword is little marbles. So I need to look and decide which ones are the little marbles. Are these the little marbles or are these the little marbles? Well, the ones on the left are the little marbles. So I'm just going to draw 2 more little marbles. You can get fancy if you want. I'm not going to today. Okay. For this drawing, they want me to draw a bee above. So I have some flowers, and I have to decide, is this position above or is this position above, or over here or over here? Well, I know above is right in this area. So you can draw a bee. You can draw the bee that flies. But I've also seen some kids draw the letter B above. Either of those would be correct. It's a B above. Now, this one is spelled B-E-E, so they want this kind of B, but it's all right if you do that B as well. For the very bottom, they want me to draw a car after. So I have a blue car and a red car, and I know this is the beginning because the direction these cars are facing. They're going this way. Okay, so this is the beginning. So if I want to have a car after, my car needs to be back here. Okay, and my car is not going to be very awesome, but that's okay. You guys, of course, can draw better than me. Okay, so that's all you're going to do for today's math page. This is practice for our assessment tomorrow, and it is almost identical to the test that you will do tomorrow. So finish up your work and place it back in your black folder. Have a great day.